Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm back to show you some of my favorites of 2021 and today we're going to look at lip products. Apart from blush, I think lipstick is my favorite part of my makeup collection because you can literally wear it every single day even when you don't wear makeup, and that's something I like to do a lot. Even when I don't wear makeup, I at least wear a tinted lip balm and a lip tint of some sorts because I feel like it really pulls my look together and makes me feel a lot more put together. So let's get into it, and I can't wait to share with you my favorite lip products of 2021. I'm going to separate this video into different finishes of lipsticks. So first off, let's start with matte lipsticks. First off is the STILA Stay All Day Matte Liquid Lipstick. This is just such a beautiful lipstick. It's your very traditional liquid lip where it's very pigmented and it stays matte and wears all day. There's basically no transfer and the pigment is so strong and beautiful. It lasts all the time and it actually doesn't stain your lips, which is something I really like as well. I hate it when I wear a bright color lip and it stains bright pink for the next 3 hours after I take it off. So really love this and doesn't dry my lips out. Next is the Rimmel Stay Matte. This has been a lipstick I talk about way too many times and I feel like people are sick of it. Feels like a cushion on your lips, and once it dries it does not budge, it doesn't transfer, and it feels really comfortable on your lips, almost as if you're not wearing anything. Beautiful selection of shades and it's very affordable, so I highly recommend this. Next is the BBIA Velvet lip tint. Finish is very strange. It's like the Rare Beauty lip soufflés where it's a cloud. It's very comfortable on your lips, but it feels like it never dries down, so you can feel it on your lips almost to a point when you smack your lips together you feel like it's still moving around, but it actually doesn't transfer. This is my favorite lip product and lip find of this year. This is another product by Rimmel. This is a collaboration with Kate Moss, and this is the bright red lipstick I used in my holiday lip tutorial. This is in the shade 111 Kiss of Life. It does look really matte and I just really like how comfortable it is. It glides on your lips, doesn't really settle into fine lines, and it doesn't stain your lip. This product though does have a little bit of transfer because it's more on the creamy side, so that's something to be aware of. You definitely need to reapply throughout the day, but apart from that, absolutely amazing. Next, I want to talk about the Chiffon Wear Lipstick by ESPOIR. It does have a little bit of transfer, but it's very minimal comparing it to other bullet lipsticks, and the finish is very pretty. It just feels really comfortable on your lips. It doesn't settle into the dry parts on your skin, and it just looks so stunning throughout the day, and even when you wear it down, it's very easy to reapply and layer on top of it. It doesn't dry or flake. It feels quite powdery on your lips, but definitely still something that is comfortable to wear, so I really enjoyed using this. Now let's talk about lip tints. What lip tints are essentially are like a liquid lipstick and a lip gloss hybrid, and as the name suggests, it stains your lips over time, so it's more wearable and long lasting, but it's also something that is very simple for every single day where you don't want to think too much about reapplying your lipstick, etc. And I just find that I really love this formula. First, I want to talk about the Roman Juicy Lasting Tint. This is my favorite lip formula Roman has ever created. I'm actually wearing this on the lips today, and on camera it transfers a little bit red, but in reality it is actually just like an orange brown. And what I love about this product is that once you put it on, it's actually quite glossy and it looks moisturizing, and it feels moisturizing on your lips as well. It's very unique as a texture. It feels very liquidy and it never truly dries down. However, when you go about your day, maybe like eating, drinking, talking, etc., you feel that it slowly dries down, but the color still remains on your lips, and I just find it so convenient that I don't have to retouch up all day. This is just really pretty. It has a great staining power and it smells and tastes like candied apples. It's delicious. Love the shade range and absolutely adore this. Next, I want to talk about the Clear Melting Dewy Tint. This is a really pretty formula as well on your lips. These lip tints are all very similar in texture. They're all very watery and they feel like watercolor on your lips. They never really dry down, but they're quite comfortable to use. And this one, I really enjoy it because it just feels very hydrating, and I feel like when I put this on, I don't actually need to prep my lips with a lip balm before putting on any lip product. The applicator is actually quite strange. You can see that it looks quite wavy, but it's very comfortable for hugging the lips. And the thing about this lip tint is the more you build it up, the deeper this color gets. So I like to put a very thin layer all over my lips and then use the tip to put extra on the center to make that ombre lip, and it's just very stunning. However, this scent is a little bit strange. It kind of smells like laundry detergent. Nothing that bothers me, but it's a little strange. Next, I want to talk about the LILYBYRED Bloody Liar Lip Tint. This is such a beautiful tint, and the applicator is also quite strange. You can see that there's a dip and it's quite flat. It's also quite a big applicator for a lip product. This lip tint is the thickest out of the three I'm talking about, and it really lathers onto your lips. What I love about this lip tint is that it is very orange at first because that's the shade I chose, but slowly as it fades out through the day, it's kind of like those pH color changing balms where it turns into a pink that matches your skin tone, so it looks really pretty, and the fade is lovely. Really like this. Next, I want to talk about creamy lipsticks. These lipsticks aren't too new because I talked about them in the 10 lipstick formulas you have to try out, so make sure to check that video out. But really love the SEPHORA collection lipsticks. They are just affordable, creamy, easy to blend, and there's a variety of shades ranging from like nudes to like bright reds and even more exotic shades like black and purple or green, etc. So really love these for a great price, and the packaging is super adorable, easily goes on your mouth. Next, I want to talk about the INNISFREE Real Fits Creamy Lipstick. This is just a really easy lip formula to glide onto your lips. It doesn't really settle onto the dry parts of your mouth, and it actually really hydrates your lips as well. Really enjoy it. Again, variety of shades, and I like how even though I chose a very bright orange red, you can wear it as a very sheer lipstick as well. Just pat it onto your lips, use your fingers to blend it, and slowly add on layers until you get the opacity you want. Next, I want to talk real quick about lip liners. I don't use lip liner that often, but when I do, these are the two I usually gravitate towards. First one is from Essence. This is Draw the Line Instant Color Lip Liner. I've talked about this a lot again in my video about top 10 lipsticks that are underrated. This is just a very affordable lip liner that is creamy, extremely pigmented, and easy to use. There's nothing to fault about this. It's a wide range of colors, and you will always find something that works for you. And I just really enjoy using this because whenever I use this, I can get a really precise line, and it's not hard to draw out because it's so creamy. Next is the Rimmel London Lasting Finish Lip Liner. This is your very typical lip liner. It's a pencil, so you can sharpen it, and I just really like this color. This is in the shade 049 Natural. It's just a perfect match for my lips, so I can use it to overline or to draw a guide, anything. It's just very versatile. It's a bit on the harder side for a lip pencil. Really perfect formula, again really affordable from the drugstore, and I just really love it. Last but not least, I want to talk about lip glosses. First off is the Romand Lasting Water Tint. Even though this is actually a lip tint, I use this more as a lip gloss because the finish is so shiny and hydrating. This has a very strange consistency in the way that it feels like a water and oil hybrid. Very thin, yet the color, once it lathers onto your lips and stays for about 10 minutes, it really stains for the whole day. I really like using this as a lip gloss on days where I don't really feel like putting on any makeup. I just put this on and I feel like I'm ready to go. Really comfortable on the lips and guarantees for a very shiny lip day. Next is the Marc Jacobs High Shine Enameled Lip Gloss. This is just your typical traditional lip gloss. It's quite goopy and sticky, but I really love this shade. This is in the shade Shine a Light, and you can see that it's very gold in the tube, but that's because it has gold shimmers and reflex in it. Once you put on your lips, it actually doesn't tint your lipstick or your you know, whatever you have underneath yellow. It's just these sparkles, but this gives such a great reflection onto your lips. I enjoy using this a lot when I want to just highlight some parts of my face and I want to make my lips look more blinged up than they actually are. One small thing is when I put this on, this has the flavor of mint to it. It's not a lip plumper, it just has that minty feel to your lips. So just keep that in mind, but really lovely gloss and I highly recommend. You can usually find it on sale actually. Last but not least is the DIOR Lip Maximizer. This lip gloss is just so pretty and beautiful and perfect in every single way except for the price tag. It's insanely expensive, but I do think it's very worth it to splurge on. Maybe pair it with a sale like the Black Friday 20% off whole store sales, etc. But this is a lip gloss that I think is just beautiful. It's a lip plumper, so that means when you put it on you feel that tingling spicy sensation, and I do find that my lips do plump, but in a very natural way where it just looks fuller and it doesn't really look too extreme or red. It still has that pink shimmer in it, which makes it look very natural and just juicy. Really like this. It just has the most beautiful reflex in it and makes your lips look like your lips look better on a day where you don't want to wear any lip products or when you want to just give your lips some extra plump. This is just something you can always go to no matter what occasion and it will look fabulous. So highly recommend this, but do buy this on a sale because it's a little bit too pricey. I don't necessarily think it's worth full price, but if it's on sale or if there's a site-wide sale, definitely pick this up. Worth the splurge. Alright guys, that's it for today's video for my favorite lip products of 2021. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found something that you want to try out in the new year. Let me know below what were your favorite lip products of this year, and I can't wait to try them out myself. That's about it for today's video. If you did like it, make sure to give it a thumbs up or even subscribe to my channel. That will mean a lot for me, and I can't wait for the new year and more videos and content for you guys. So that's about it for today, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!